Hi everyone. So let us see how to convert 0.999 and so on in the form rational form or P over Q form. Okay. So you can see here there is only one digit 9 which is repeating. Okay. So let x is equals to 0.999 and so on. So only one digit is repeating, so that's why let's multiply both sides by 10. So it will become 10x is equals to 9.999 and so on. So if you notice, like these parts are identical in both equations. If we subtract equation first from equation second, if we say this is equation first and this is equation second, if we subtract equation first from equation second, then it will become 10x minus x is equals to 9.999 and so on minus 0.999 and so on. So it will become 9x is equals to 9, surprisingly 9.0, or we can say. So x is equals to 9 over 9. It means x is equals to 1. So we started with x is equals to 0.999 and so on. And now we have showed algebraically that x is equals to 1. Therefore 0.9999 and so on is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. All right. Let me show you it by approximation. Another way to think. Okay. So if we look at the first few terms like 0.9, then 0.99, then 0.99, 0.9999 and so on. Each successive number gets closer and closer to 1, right? So here is your number line and here is 0 and here is 1. So like 0.9 is suppose that here, then 0.99 is like here, then here, then here. So we are going like close to 1, right? So as you keep adding more nines, the difference between 0.9999 and so on and 1 becomes vanishingly small, like 0.99999 thousand times maybe it will be there. Okay, here. So in fact the difference is so small that it's effectively 0, meaning that 0.9999 is equals to 1. All right. So you have understood how we have showed algebraically and like approximation method. Okay. So hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe for more.